Hello, it's Monday, July the 4th, 2011, and I'm Martin Smith with the Daily Outlook from UFX Markets. The dollar weakened against most of the majors on low volatile trading Friday. ISM Manufacturing PMI came out 55.3 better than expected, 51.5. Stock markets in the US closed positive as the Dow Jones jumped by 1.36% and the Nasdaq gained 1.53%. Crude hardly changed, seeking a further trend, probably up if the 95.7 level is breached to close around the $95 a barrel. Gold failed to retain the positive mood and fell below $1,480 an ounce, only to recover and close at $1,487. Today, US banks will be closed for Independence Day. The euro gained against the greenback over optimism that Greece will solve its debt crisis as finance ministers agreed to finalize a Greek bailout package by mid-September. The unemployment rate came out 9.9% unchanged as expected. Holding above the key support level of 144.70 keeps the momentum positive. Overall, the euro-dollar traded with a low of 144.35 and a high of 145.77. No major economic data is expected today. The pound experienced modest gains against the dollar, but seems under heavy pressure to hold below 161. Manufacturing PMI data disappointed investors, coming out at 51.30, worse than the expected 52.30. Sterling could gather more power against the greenback if the resistance level of 161.30 is breached. Overall, the pound-dollar traded with a low of 159.86 and a high of 160.95. Today, construction PMI is expected at 53.6 versus 54 prior. The dollar gained against the yen after another day of struggle between these two currencies. In general, not much can be expected from the pairs. It has remained locked in a trading range of 150 pips for more than a month now. The only breakthrough that may occur is if the resistance level of 81.30 is breached or support at 79.70 is broken. Overall, the dollar-yen traded with a low of 80.48 and a high of 81.13. Today, average cash earnings are expected at minus 0.4% versus minus 1.4% previously. Finally, the CAD, the Canadian dollar, climbed 5 consecutive days against the US dollar on rising optimism that European leaders have accomplished the bailout package for Greece and fueled investor appetite for higher yielding assets. Holding below resistance at 0.9620 keeps the trend negative for the pair. Overall, the dollar CAD traded with a low of 0.9578 and a high of 0.9649. Today, RMPI is expected at minus 2.5% versus 6.8% previously. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at UFX Markets for all your online trading needs.